Welcome to an exciting story about a familiar yet highly promising agricultural product, cucumbers. From lush green fields to modern processing lines, the journey of cucumbers in Asian countries is not only about the hard work of farmers but also a testament to innovation in processing technology and the immense economic value this humble fruit brings. Join me as we explore this captivating journey, where every cucumber not only quenches thirst, but also opens doors to international markets for Asian agriculture. Cucumbers are a globally beloved vegetable, often featured in daily dishes. In Asia, cucumbers go beyond their role in culinary delights, being processed into high-value products such as pickles, cucumber juice, cucumber-based cosmetics, and even dried cucumber snacks. With a high water content and rich nutritional profile, cucumbers offer numerous health benefits, such as improving skin, detoxifying the body, and aiding digestion. This makes them a strategic agricultural product in countries like China, India, and Vietnam, which enjoy favorable climates and abundant labor to drive cucumber cultivation and processing. Cultivation, the foundation of a successful crop. Cucumbers thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, requiring ample sunlight, loose soil, and efficient irrigation systems. Choosing high-quality seeds. Popular cucumber varieties such as Japanese cucumber or F1 hybrid are favored for their high yield, thin skin, few seeds, and refreshing taste. Adopting modern technology. In recent years, the use of greenhouses and hydroponic technology has significantly enhanced cucumber quality and yield in major growing regions like Shandong Province, China, and the Mekong Delta, Vietnam. Harvesting, precision in every step. Cucumbers are typically harvested while still young to retain their crunchiness and fresh flavor. This stage requires the careful hands of farmers to avoid damaging the fruit or the plants. Manual harvesting. Each cucumber is hand-picked and gently placed into bamboo baskets or plastic crates to prevent bruising. Sorting at the field. Cucumbers are categorized by size, color, and freshness. Those meeting quality standards are transported to processing facilities within 24 hours to maintain their freshness. Processing is a vital stage that helps Asian cucumbers reach major markets worldwide. It combines modern technology with traditional knowledge, delivering products that are both convenient and appealing. Cleaning and preserving. At processing plants, cucumbers are washed with high-pressure water and soaked in safe solutions to eliminate bacteria. Next, they undergo rapid cooling to retain their crisp texture and natural green color. Products made from cucumbers. Pickled cucumbers, a classic flavor. Cucumbers are pickled in large barrels with salt, vinegar, and traditional spices. This product is highly popular both domestically and internationally, especially in Japan and South Korea. Cucumber juice, a detox delight. Cucumbers are juiced and bottled as a refreshing drink or detox ingredient that is well loved in European and American markets. Cucumber-based cosmetics, natural beauty enhancers. Extracts from cucumbers are widely used in the cosmetic industry, creating masks, gels, and sunscreens rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Dried cucumber snacks, an innovative trend. Low-temperature drying technology preserves the crunch and refreshing taste of cucumbers. This snack is a rising trend, particularly popular among young consumers in various countries. Challenges. Cucumbers have thin skins, making them prone to damage during transportation. High refrigeration costs pose challenges for small-scale farmers. Solutions. Applying modified atmosphere packaging (MAP) technology to extend shelf life and maintain freshness. Supporting farmers with access to modern processing technologies through public-private partnership programs. From lush cucumber fields to advanced processing plants. The story of Asian cucumbers is not just an agricultural lesson, but also an inspiration about innovation and relentless effort. Cucumbers not only enrich dining tables but also promote sustainable agriculture in Asia on the global stage. If you find this story interesting, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating agricultural stories. See you in the next video.